Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Right now I am in the park. Here I came in order to practice. You can see that there are many people in this park. Some people are taking rest, some people sitting behind me. Some people they are talking to each other. And here I am making video because where I came right now. This place is very beautiful. I will unable to explain you. I will unable to tell you that how much beautiful this place is. But I want you to watch till the end so that some people are talking to on phone call. And here I am making video in front of me. There are few people also talking to each other and here I am making video as well as practicing. So guys, I want you to also speak like me. And today I am making video because I have something special for you. And first of all, I would like to tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to learn something better, if you want to more about this language, and I want you to also speak like me. You should also practice in front of camera as I am practicing right now. Most of the people they want to speak English but they don't want to practice. That's why they couldn't speak. But I want you to speak like me. Even if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter but speak. Making mistake is a good thing. Even if you make a mistake, it is enough that you are speaking. That you speak, it's alright. Guys, some noise maybe you are hearing because there are few people beside me, in front of me, behind me, sitting there. They are talking to each other. That's why I am sure that you are hearing some voice, except me. Maybe you are listening some other voice. It's all right. And I want you to don't pay attention that person is speaking in front of me. I will unable to show you, but you should hear his voice. It's enough. That's it. And what I am telling you something important right now. I forget because it is my problem which I want to remove it, but I am unable to remove it. But I believe that one day if I work on it every day, one day I will remove this type of problem. Whatever I am unable to do that work, that thing, you know. So guys, please, what I am telling you that you should also make video like me and you should also practice in front of camera, in front of mirror, whatever you have, you should practice with that, you know. That's it. I don't want to explain you a lot, but I will say something important because someone today I read one person that comment that, sir, could you tell me how can I speak English like you, because your speaking is good but your pronunciation is bad. But so guys, I would like to tell you that I don't know a lot. I am also like beginner. So I am not saying that I know everything, but whatever I know, I always try to speak in front of camera, because I don't have family members so that I can talk to them. Therefore, I practice in front of camera, in front of mirror. I got married, but my wife doesn't speak English. She study more than me, but she doesn't speak. She has completed her study in Hindi medium. Therefore, so I am telling you that you should don't focus what way is speaking, let them speak, because it's your dream, it's your responsibility. How can you get? What should I do? You will have to search path. Even that path is lot of difficult, but you will have to run on that path. You will have to search the right method. I am sure that you will one day, if you work on that, one day you will surely reach your destiny. Every dream always so far from us, but if we work every day on that dream, we will surely reach our destiny. There is nothing look difficult before our effort, but most of the people always give up because they don't want to put effort, they don't have patience. Therefore, but I want you to don't do as like other people. My friend,